So I've done both sleeves and ready to start with a button band. For this, I'm going to take a smaller size of hoop. I would suggest using 2, 2.5 or 3. The smaller the better. Attach the yarn chain 1, chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Along the ribbon we are going to make 2 single crochet, then skip 1 stitch and then again 2 single crochet. If you do it in every stitch along the ribbon part, it will look loose. The button band will look wavy. Along the body part, make slip stitch in each row. So try to find the correct stitch, not too far from the edge and not near, but at the same time avoid big holes. This side will be without buttonholes, and the buttonholes will be on the left side, and I will show you how to do that. Hiding tail, at the same time holding it back, and try to go underneath both loops. And that's how it looks. Go on till the end. Okay, I've done the first row and chain 1, turn and go on with single crochet. Here we make single crochet through both loops, like normal single crochet. Go on till the end. At the end, chain 1, turn and repeat. Single crochet all the way across. Repeat till the end and make in total 6 rows. Okay, I've done the right part, as you can see, and the left part I've done already 3 rows, and I placed markers where I want my buttonholes to be. So it is actually between them 6 stitches. So in total there will be 6 buttonholes. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet till the marker. Remove the marker, chain 2, skip 2 next stitches and single crochet into the third. This is the first buttonhole. Go on till the next marker. Single crochet, 5, 6. Remove stitch marker, chain 2, skip next 2 stitches and into the third one, single crochet. Join with single crochet. 6 more single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove the marker, chain 2, skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the third. Like this you will get buttonholes that will fit buttons 10 millimeters. Go on till the end. Okay, I have finished this round with buttonholes, and now I just want to show you how to work into that chain 2 space. So single crochet till the chain 2 space, and 2 single crochet into chain 2 space. Go on till the next chain space, one more, and 2 single crochet into chain 2 space. Single crochet till the next hole, and 2 single crochet. And that's how it looks. Like this, go on till the end and crochet back 1 more row. I've done button band, and do not cut the yarn. Here I'm ready to start with the neckline. So I'm going to chain 1 and single crochet around the whole neckline. Just to make the sweater look neat. From each side. Single crochet till the end. And that's how it looks. Go on till the end. That's it. Now you need only to sew buttons. Look at the neckline. It looks better, much better. And the ribbon here and on the sleeves. Now find cute buttons, 10 millimeters, and sew them. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this crochet sweater. Please like this video. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye!